Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Steam Link with a cable. The first step is to connect your MetaQuest headset to your PC using the USB-C cable. Plug one end into your headset and connect the other end to a USB 3.0 port on your computer. Once the cable is connected, put on your headset. You should see a notification asking for permission to allow the USB connection. Select the option to allow the connection so your headset can communicate with the computer. Next, open the Meta Horizon app on your PC. Inside the application, make sure your headset appears as a connected device. If everything is working correctly, you will be ready to launch QuestLink. Now, put your headset back on and open the Quick Settings menu. Select QuestLink, and then choose your computer from the available devices. After a few moments, you will enter the Oculus desktop environment. From there, open the desktop icon in the Oculus menu. This allows you to view and control your PC directly from the headset. Open Steam on your computer, and then launch Steam VR. Once Steam VR finishes loading, you can start playing your Steam VR games through a wired connection using QuestLink. Thanks for watching.